just wanted to do a really quick video. I know on my last hair video, I had got my hair done for my wedding by Alonzo Arnold and stuff. So it's been about 2 weeks since me and my hubby got married. So I went and got like a frontal maintenance by his assistant. Brittany, she slayed my hair today. So I just want to show you guys like how I actually actually wrap this up at night. How I'm able to keep, you know, the curl and do all of that, honey, and stuff. And I actually probably need to show you guys like pictures of my actual hair from the wedding and stuff. So, but before go to bed and stuff, I just wanted to show you guys this really quick. So initially I just, you know, brush, and I have this, I forgot what you call this thing, but I will put it down in the description box so you guys can know where to get it, because like I feel like this is a lifesaver for us, like, you know, because like you want to get those curls that you get when you go to the salon and stuff, like, and this will help you. And like in the morning, like, you know, when I take it off, like I'll just spray a little bit of got to be glued, and you know, that's pretty much it. So pretty much all you do, you know, just, you know, get your hair brushed out, make sure, you know, everything's good for your tangles, everything. I don't like curling it, taking my curls out, but you know, it's all good. And also like I need to like wrap this front part down, and I'm just gonna put like a satin scarf there. Oh, excuse me, y'all, like I ain't trying to show too much or nothing like that, but anyways, okay, so it doesn't get like sticky, the front doesn't get too sticky. So get that brushed out. Let's go and get that brushed out. And there's tutorials on this and stuff, how to do it and stuff, but like this is like been effective for me, like with having my frontal and actually, you know, going to bed and having a curl in the morning, not have to worry about fooling with no curling iron or nothing like that, you know, trying to, you know, have the maneuvers that the beautician has, or your stylist, whatever you call them, whatever, that they have. You could just use this and you'll have a nice curl in the morning. So just stick it in the middle, forehead. Snap. If I can get the snap. There we go. And you just pretty much adjust this around just a little bit. It's a nice side part. Okay, there we go. I'll just take a piece. I'll loop it around. Like after you loop that first piece, you want to just grab another little piece of hair, loop it in, and pretty much that's how you do it. Like it's pretty much like, I guess like a twist or something, like if you did like a flat twist or something. But if you didn't have this, like I've seen like a tutorial where like somebody just used the headband and they wrapped their hair that way with the headband. But I like this, and I gotta find the name of it so you guys can go buy it, because it was a really neat invention. And you know, you just get you a little bit of holding spray in this and it will hold. It's like the best thing ever. And this is actually what I used the day before my wedding. Well, pretty much the night before my wedding. I just rolled my hair this way because I didn't have a day of stylist to do my hair, so I just did my own thing, and it turned out gorgeous. So we're getting to the back, finish with this part, and I gotta make sure I remember to put like something on my edges. So we're gonna take this other part, snap it on across. Like bring it under. Go ahead and snap it. I try not to put my on too tight. But it's what's your best comfort level? There we go. And I mean, like, you know, I think this is good for, you know, any type of, you know, sew-in or frontal, or if you have leave out or something, whatever, you can use that for this too. I just really like it, and I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I will detail the information below for you guys to give y'all that info. So on my other channel, I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this video, but my husband has the video because we had a jet ski incident. One of the reasons why I had to go back and get my hair redone. Like, we tilted off the jet skis. We went to Key West for like our pre-honeymoon. So, like the first time we fell off the jet ski twice. So the first time we tilted off, we tilted with the jet skis, and it capsized, whatever. And I mean, like, who likes to fall in the ocean? I mean, like, some people are cool with it. I don't want to be in the ocean, like all the animals and all the other stuff. So like that was the first time. And frontals, they're cute, and some people may know how to make them work, like in the sea, and know how to, I mean, the ocean, like beach and water and all the other stuff. But honey, no, not me. But you know, so we fell in, and the frontal's not it's not you know, ocean friendly. So we fell in that time, and then like my husband hit a wave, and we flew off the jet skis. I was like, oh my god, like it was so scary, y'all. And I was like, because I'm like, okay, I mean, I don't want to be in the ocean. I was like, other animals live there and stuff like that. You know, it's, you know, not the same as like being in like a pool and stuff like that. But it was water. You could see the bottom of the water. It was like probably, he said like 10 feet deep, but I could see the bottom of it and stuff like that. But still, to me, it was kind of creepy and stuff. So, but yeah, that second time we flew off, it was scary. And the waters were kind of like, I guess, turbulent and stuff. So for me, I wouldn't recommend having a frontal. Like, get you some braids. And in the Keys, they don't really have no hair stores. Where we were staying in Marathon, Florida, so we were almost by like about 45 miles away from Key West, and we did go to Key West and everything. But yeah, it was an adventure. We still enjoyed ourselves and everything. But pretty much, y'all, this is how like I go to bed at night. Like, I'll have it curled like that and loop-de-loops. I look like the lady from Star Wars a little bit. I don't know why I can't think of her name right now. But pretty much, I'm gonna take that up so I don't mess up what the stylist did with my edges. Just take that up and put something over it. I don't have my, I have like a sweatband I usually put on, but I'm just like, I thought this is it. This is not my sweatband. This is just a do-rag. But yeah, my videos like 10 minutes. I usually don't even let my videos go this long. Nah, we going to something else. So I'm just gonna put like a scarf over this, so this part won't mess up crazily, because it's like still kind of, I guess, like what you would call like sticky and stuff like that, and like extra hairs will get down there and then, you know, cause it. And I may have caused it to do some of that already, not on purpose, but just by like having my hair in my face that quick. Because it's like still a bit sticky. So I forgot what you call the stuff they were saying. They were saying like use the stretch wrap to kind of protect it from having the hairs like stick on to the actual lace. And after I get my after I do my frontal whatever, after I take this out, like my plan is to go ahead and lock my hair, because you guys know I'm a 4C natural and stuff. So I was like, I think I'm gonna try locks and do that and see how that journey is. So because at the end of the day, it's only hair. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Just want to try locks. I think it'll look really good and everything. So, but that's it, guys. That's the video. I'm about to go to bed. We gotta go to work in the morning. You guys have a good night. Bye. Hey guys, so it's morning time. So I'm gonna take this up and show y'all how my curls came. And I did put my scarf on. I set it back a little bit off of my forehead. Just unsnap. That's what I said. This is how I take it off, but I mean, like, I think, I'm not sure if, like, on the other one, like, the other videos, like, if they take it off, like, one at a time. I just slide them both out. Okay. Alright. Both ones attached. Come on through, baby. There we go. One side. Boom. The other side. So, ooh, it curled, baby. It curled. Okay. And you get your brush and, you know, brush through, honey. Hold on. Come on, girls. I don't know why I keep forgetting what this utensil is called, but I'll have it down there in the comments below, y'all. I will have it down there. And I believe the person that created it, they have videos also of them doing it, but like I just find this like really easy. It's like once you brush it, and brush your curls and get them how you how you want them to be. Get your curls how you want them to be. And like go ahead and put you some spray on it. Oh, there we go. Let's get that, baby. Oh. Yeah. I apologize, guys. I got my TV running in the background. About to head off to work. I just wanted to do a reveal real quick. And so that's pretty much the curl. Everything straight, how I want it to hold, like where I know I'm not gonna be like all over my hair all day, brushing it and stuff. And even like, I don't know, like sometimes if you want it like a peaked arch, like you could take a comb and spray it with some got to be glued, and you could kind of get it to lift if you wanted to do that. Let me get my got to be glued real quick, guys. I'll be right back. But that's pretty much what I'm going to set it in, and that's that. That's the curl. That's the curl. And then some people opt to do flexi rods. It's each his own, but I like this. To me, it's easier to sleep in and set it back on your head, and you're good. And so, but yeah, I'm gonna put some got to be glued hairspray or whatever hairspray you got. That's what I bought from Walmart, and it just pretty much just gives me a good hold. So, all right, hunties. I didn't mean to be taking them to an error's word, but all right, y'all. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Just give me a second. I got to be glued. So, like this got to be glued on. Like I just usually just try to mist a little bit because got to be glued. Like it holds your honey. Oh, sorry, y'all. And that's pretty much it. Like, put a little holder spray and you're good to go. And at the end of the day, like, that's that. And me for my camera to drop. If I could cut that out, I probably would. But anyways, that's it. And I use this. I think the Gatsby glue pretty much everybody be using to like I can get my camera to act right. Camera, the light so bright on it, but got to be glued blasting freeze spray. So yeah, they'll hold all day. Oh my goodness, I did not mean for all that to happen, guys. Oh, it just wants to like keep falling. Okay, forgive me. And that's it. I'm going to work. Hey, you guys have a great day. Bye.